I'm David Daniels. I'm the Director of Project Management here at Quest Design and Fabrication in Stafford, Texas. Quest is a design and fabrication company that services home builders, and we also have a millwork division. The role technology plays in our business is great. We use AutoCAD in designing full sales galleries, welcome centers, and design centers for home builders. We use microvellum to design parts that then get sent out to the CNC machine, which cuts those parts out. We've been using Preactive IT since 2006, very successfully. They take very good care of us. They are a phone call away. Sometimes I call them and 10 minutes later they're walking through the door. Prior to Preactive IT coming on, our IT service provider was very good in solving problems, but his availability was not good. And we sometimes would wait 2 and 3 days for them to come out and solve a problem, and we would have a computer or a machine down completely. We had our CNC machine go down on a weekend. The problem was great for us, and one that was going to cost us thousands and thousands of dollars. I called Preactive IT, and the president of the company came out and fixed the problem for us. I was amazed. Stuff that normal companies would not do. I was at the hospital the other day and my computer, I couldn't get email. I called Preactive and they sent a guy over who came and got my PC, fixed it, and brought it back to me right there at the hospital. My sister was with me and she was astonished. Preactive IT Solutions also takes care of our iPads, our iPhones, our tablets, our printers, our scanners, our saws that I mentioned. They take care of everything here. If your company is considering a new IT company, I strongly recommend Preactive IT Solutions. They have been tremendous for us.